tonight, a glimpse inside the tactics investigators used to take more than a dozen accused drug traffickers off the street.
Court documents reveal 2 of the 14 people arrested were caught because of a camera on a light pole used for surveillance. Action News Jack's Ben Ryan live outside of JSO headquarters. And Ben, investigators use physical and electronic evidence to make the case.
And Tanika, one of the ways that they actually found some of that physical evidence was by going through the trash bags that were thrown out at the suspect's apartment complex. And these 16 pages of federal court documents do take us step by step into some of those tactics.
Paul Anderson Jr. is one of 14 people JSO arrested in a major drug bust announced this week. New court documents show before his arrest, police watched him through a security camera on a pole.
Paul Anderson, a significant drug trafficker in our area and one of the targets of this operation, is pending federal prosecution with our partners at the U.S. Attorney's Office.
Federal court documents obtained by Action News Jack say Anderson Jr. was using an apartment in the Oak Hill area for drug deals. These are pictures of Anderson Jr. from a live feed of the pole camera in September as tabs were kept on him and his interactions. One photo shows him with a large suitcase. After the documents say phone GPS tracking pinned Anderson and someone who was believed to be his supplier in the same area at the same time. Photos show a blue suitcase going into what's believed to be the supplier's car.
Instead of having a rotating shift of agents sitting in a surveillance van for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month, whatever it is, now you simply record the information on camera and review it at a convenient time.
Investigators say that they also saw Elijah Owens, who was also arrested in the drug bust, walk out of the same Oak Hill apartment with a trash bag, and once thrown out, some bags and trash tested positive for meth and fentanyl. Action News Jack's Dale Carson has worked several drug cases during his time in law enforcement and said it's not uncommon for investigators to target suspects' trash.
Anytime you can find a detritus from somebody's life, you get clues into their world. And that's exactly what a trash pull does. In addition to which, today, you get DNA and you get fingerprints, any number of pieces of evidence that work together to demonstrate criminality or the lack of it.
Now, ultimately, search warrants were executed on that stash house, stash apartment, if you will, and where Anderson actually lived over in Orange Park. Now, there, investigators found fentanyl. They said that they found meth along with guns. For local coverage you can count on, I'm Ben Ryan, Action News Jax.